Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a few thoughts on process. Do you remember that feeling from first or second grade when you have a few worksheets to do for homework, phonics or subtraction or something, and you'd finish and you make sure your name is across the top, and you put the worksheets in your folder, and you put the folder in your backpack, and then you're done. There's nothing else for you to do, except maybe you go outside and play. There's a lot of simplicity in that, and freedom. And then you get to high school, and especially being an upperclassman, and that feeling's never there again. You're never done. There could be some test you could be studying for, or project you could be working on, or college apps you could be doing something for. There's always work. The list is endless. And on the one hand, that's tough to deal with, because being done is great. I mean, what feeling? But it's gone. And it's not coming back. You know, this is the time of year when a lot of people are working on their taxes, and they'll finish up with that in a month or two, or maybe right down to the deadline. But by the time they finish, the next year is already a few months in, and the cycle has begun again. And so if you want to think about it this way, you will always be behind. But perhaps it's helpful to keep in mind that everyone you meet is dealing with that. No one is finished. They're just a bunch of works in progress walking around. And a lot of us are out here searching for, what is the thing that I can do such that I won't have to do anything else? How can I be done? But it's not there. It doesn't exist. The question isn't, how can I be done? It's, what am I in the process of? Am I in the process of becoming stronger, sharper, clearer, kinder, more generous? Or am I in the process of becoming weaker and colder and more selfish and more closed-minded? The destination that you might imagine will always be in the distance. But the direction is something that you can decide upon every day, every hour, every minute. So you'll never be done. Sad. But you'll always be getting there. And the next step is right underneath your feet. My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.